Hi guys, welcome to our channel, It's My Life Philippines. It's Thursday afternoon. We're here in Balibago, Angeles City. So we don't expect that have cheapest rent here in Balibago near Walking Street. So Mr. Leon will gonna show to you how much is it and the room.
Yes.
Then, sir, upstairs.
No, any room. Or this room is the same. Have aircon,
Aircon.
electric fan also.
Netflix.
Mhm. This is cheapest 950 peso.
Deluxe. You show your deluxe,
Okay,
sir?
if available also.
Deluxe?
Yes.
Show your room. Deluxe.
Yes, deluxe is bigger room. Also have aircon, electric fan, bed, TV.
Rep.
Refrigerator. In standard room don't have refrigerator. Only deluxe room
Only deluxe.
refrigerator.
And then executive.
Okay. Denison Hotel.
Show your room. Executive.
No, if available, I can
Show your
also.
room.
Yes.
Executive.
Mhm. Here renovation. Executive is more bigger. Yeah, bigger room and new aircon. It's already different type of aircon. CR little bit same. Refrigerator. This is refrigerator. Yes, it's good. Electric fan, aircon, this aircon good. Denison's Hotel. Yeah, thank you very much for information. I will post today, maybe someone want to live here. This is street is Pampanga Street
Pampanga
or
Street, sir.
Pampanga Street. Before we leave it is in Pampanga, so go down. Yes? We leave it before in Pampanga Street here. Also parking space. If park motor is safety here, have security guard.
Yeah.
Security guard.
House.
Yeah, good.
No problem, sir.
Okay, thank you for information.
Okay.
How to book this hotel? How to book? Do you have like a visit name card?
I don't know.
But have name card or how to book? If someone want to book hotel.
Secretary lang lang kasi naka Matitik. Yung price.
In the Facebook, like Facebook.
In Facebook, do you have phone number for order? Don't only if someone who come to Philippines, he need to go walking. Okay.
Walk-in price only.
Okay. No, I will put link to this Google Map
Yeah.
for easy to know. Okay, thank you very much.
So guys, we don't expect that cheapest here hotel near Pampanga Street and near Walking Street. So we're gonna put some link or Google Map in our post or in our channel. Then you just take a look there. So it's near only and walk to Walking Street.
Yes, maybe 5 minutes from the walking street.
Yes.
Of course, it's a simple, cheapest hotel, but maybe someone interesting. Yes.
So thank you for watching guys. Salamat.